I genuinely think I prefer that to the original. That was stunning. That was absolutely stunning. I don't think you realise how good you are. You really don't. That was amazing. Well done, babe.
Thank you very much.
Zoe.
Like you just said, the first thing I wrote down was I don't think you realise your own potential. I don't think you realise like how raw and like amazing your voice is. And I love the flip between your little, the flip between your chest and your head voice on the little riffs. Like I'm not doing it. You do it better than me anyway. But them little like flips were absolutely stunning, and your tone is so unique and raw and like emotional. Like there's such an emotional like tone to your voice. It's honestly so lush. And the timing went a little bit off towards the end, but you pulled it back. So well done. And personally, I just feel like that was a safe song choice. I feel like you have so much more to offer. So don't be scared, like to pick a song choice that you wouldn't normally. Do you know what I mean? Step out to your comfort zone. But well done, it was a massive improvement from last week.
Thanks, your voice is so unique. You've got like one of them current, like, you know, like what are they called? When people in the charts, like alternative, that's the one. A very alternative voice. And your little riffs in the song as well, they were really well controlled. I like the way that you made the song your own. I did also put that I think that you were so much better than that song. But you were definitely a blossomer. You're definitely going to grow in this competition, and that was great. Well done.
Thank you. Thanks, Joey.
Sibel, yeah, I mean, first of all, I want to start by saying, like I said last week, but I'll say it again, I feel so honoured and humbled to have you in this season. I really do. And I do feel like it's really going to bring out the best in you. I really believe this process is going to do that. I've seen it happen before, and I know it's going to happen again. I can feel it. But like, you definitely picked up whatever we said last week, because I noticed the positives that you've done within this performance this week was that you did become more yourself. You've done a bit more your own thing with your song. You know, you look more relaxed. Your presentation looks incredible. I think you took on board, yeah, I can be myself more, you know, and that's what you brought. So it was definitely a step up. There's one thing you do, and I want you to be really aware of this, because even though I think you're incredible, I want to give it to you because I don't want you to forget this. But something you was doing there is, well, when people sing acoustically, and when you sing to a full backing track, your volume needs to change vocally with it, because obviously the track volume's changed. And you sang that almost like if it was meant to be on an acoustic version, because you was losing volume on certain notes. They sounded incredible though, really unique. But I was like, put that on an acoustic version, that's boom. But when you've got a full track behind you and you've got all of the stuff, you use an original backing track, your volume needs to be louder too. So even though you're doing these lovely quirky things with your voice, that needs to be louder too, so we don't lose the volume of it. Just be aware of that when you're working with acoustic tracks or full backing tracks. Just remember your voice needs to get fuller with it, alright? Other than that, 100% a step up. I think you should be so proud of yourself, because this is, again, just another little step in your journey. And just believe that and realise that whatever you're doing, keep doing it, because you brought more of you to the table today and we got to see more. And Kelly will get to see it when it goes up, and I know she can't wait. So she will get to see it. You brought yourself forward. Again, the girls did pick up. The song choice is one of them songs that you really need to change to really make it stand out, because it's been overdone. Like I said to Tasha earlier on, yeah, like I said to Tasha earlier on, if you're gonna pick a song that's really overdone like that, you gotta do something unique with it. But I gotta give it to you, you did, and I was really happy with it. I was happy to hear that song like that, because you made it more you, and there was so much of you that came out in that, which we haven't got to see yet, so it was a little bit more. Just keep bringing more of you to the front, alright? Well done.
Thanks.
Smash it.
Thanks so much, guys.